Yes, guys. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Welcome you guys on this channel. Thank you so much for joining me here and welcome. I finally made a decision to start a beauty/lifestyle channel. Yeah. So that's what it is. Okay, so I felt like before coming to drop in content on you guys, you need to know what this channel is going to be all about. And before going in to do that or drop content or talk about what this channel is going to be about, I feel like I need to introduce myself to you guys, just for you to like get to know me, maybe a little bit for now. And some of you that already know me, you'll be surprised yet to find out more about me. Okay, so my name is Lawal Rodiyah, or Rodiyah, yeah, that's fine. Rodiyah is a makeup. I wish I was going to say I'm a makeup artist. I'm not. Okay, so rodiyah.lawal is based in Accra, and I'm a beauty enthusiast. Yes, that's I am, and a beauty consultant that loves to evolve and learn. Yes, because I feel like the cosmetic industry is a huge one and we need to like get things right. So I'll be sharing a few things that I know about this industry. For the time that I've been around, I'll be sharing a few things and just to draw your attention to certain things that you've not been paying attention to. So if you already love what I'm coming to talk about, yes, get excited, because it's going to be a lovely and a wonderful journey. And we're also going to talk about lifestyle. Yes, why am I forgetting it? Lifestyle. I'll be sharing information about lifestyle-based content. Yes, based on what I feel like you need to know, because there are certain things that I'm actually learning right now and I don't want to learn it alone. I feel like I need to share, and definitely beauty try-ons and beauty tutorial application process, like basic tips, simple hacks for your makeup application process. Yeah, basic simple hacks. Yeah, so I guess that's what we'll do. And I'm going to do a lot of product reviews, like doing some vlogging, not dancing. I actually like to dance, but who knows, maybe that might come in. You guys let me know if you want to see some fun moves, dance moves. But please, we are getting into the real business, which is the cosmetic or the beauty pep talk. Is it pep talk? Is it a pep talk? I don't even know what it is. Okay, it's gonna be beauty pep talk actually. Yes. So if you guys already like what you hear, kindly like this. Yes, if you like it, like this, like click on it right now. Yes, right now, click. Okay, please kindly click. Thank you. And leave a comment below, and you can actually share this link with somebody that needs to see this. Also, I would need you to subscribe. Yes, hit the notification bell as well. Thank you, and see you on the next one.